Stella here. Valentine's Day is quickly approaching and love is in the air, and we have two very special gifts that I think will make the holiday extra special for your loved ones. Before we get into those, I do want to discuss something with you that we are really excited about at Chatty Cupcakes. When my mom and I started this business 8 years ago, we had a discussion with one another where we said if we were going to do this, it has to be that good. And in the years since, we have been working to constantly better our best, whether that be with our recipes, our designs, and that is just what we have strived to do. So the question that we continually pose to ourselves is how can we broaden the Chatty Cupcakes experience for our customers? And we think that we've come up with something that we are really excited about. Our first gift box is called Cake, Candle, and Cuddles. You provide the cuddles. And in it, there is a rather stunning, if I do say so myself, 6-inch 2-layer vanilla raspberry cake. It features edible lace, buttercream flowers, and a pretty little decorative candle. And then the real candle, it's called Iridescence. It is deliciously scented, absolutely beautiful. And together, they just make a marvelous gift. So this box will be available on Tuesday for pickup. It's available for pre-order now on our website. Please feel free to do so. Once you do that, give us a time frame on Tuesday. I will literally run it out to your car so you don't even have to get out, and the gift will be provided for you. So that's box number 1. Box number 2, coming right up because I'm really excited about it. Box number 2, my personal favorite, is called A Love Like GNOME Other, because it features probably the best thing on the planet, garden gnomes. And it's 2 cupcakes, 2 French macarons, and this exceptionally delightful statue gnome. Adore him. And 2 cupcakes, 1 chocolate, 1 vanilla, featuring handmade fondant gnomes, 2 of our specialty French macarons, and just a collection of delightfulness all in one box. Also available for pre-order now on our website for you to pick up on Tuesday. I will be at the kiosk at the Galleria Mall in Mount Lebanon from 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock. We'll have all of this information posted as well. And again, if you just give me a ring, I will run out to your car and give you this gift box so it's as easy as possible for you to receive. I'm so excited about these. We're excited about the direction that we're going with all of this stuff that we have, and we're just really excited to make your special day even more special. So I hope to see you on Tuesday.